Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptocurrencies are open 24/7. So if you're watching this, let's say Sunday night, then yeah, the chart's going to look a whole lot different to you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant all weekend long. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through a few questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So over the past 24 hours, the bears have continued to push back downwards and are essentially regaining control of the chart. And I say that because now the price is actually down below that purple line right there, which is the very important 50-period simple moving average. So that is going to be the very first question that you need to ask yourself. And let's just say you're watching this Sunday evening. So Sunday evening, you're watching this, ask yourself, where's the price at relative to that purple line? If the price is still down below it, then that just implies that, yeah, the bears are still in control and the bulls really haven't done much. Now, if the price is just simply going sideways and it's still right around 64.20 or so, then yeah, okay, at least the price is going sideways. But from an overall trend perspective, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below that 50-period moving average, then that, again, does imply that the bears are still in full control. Now, if you are answering the price is down below it, it becomes a matter of, okay, well, how far below it? Meaning if the price is still right here, okay, it is what it is. But if you're watching this and all of a sudden the price is sitting down here around 6,300, well, then that implies that not only are the bears still in control, but they're actually gaining that much more control because they've separated that much further down below the 50-period simple moving average. So just because the price is below it, it doesn't necessarily mean the chart is totally ruined, but you also got to kind of then weigh and use a little, instincts in terms of, well, how far down below is it currently? Again, if it's hanging still right up around 64.20, well, then at least it's going sideways compared to where it is right now. But, if it's down around the 6,300 mark, well, that just implies that there's been more separation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is up above that purple line, the next question then becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that pink line right there, which is the 200-period simple moving average? If somehow on Sunday evening you're answering that question that the price is actually up above the pink line there, the 200-period moving average, that would imply that the bulls are actually having themselves a very strong weekend, and not only has the price kind of leveled off, but now all of a sudden the bulls are making a strong push to the upside. So keep your eye on these general levels, and by walking yourself through those questions, that'll dictate the current status of things. But as of the recording of it, the bears are looking pretty solid, but we'll see if the bulls can get back up above that 50-period moving average or not over the weekend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.